Jay, what are we doing here right now?
We are wiping these coils and doing the final inspection before we ship them out.
One of the things about the coils that we make for many different clients across the United States and the world is cleanliness. We're the fastest coil manufacturer in the United States of America. We make coils for about 5 or 6 different OEMs currently. We want to double that in the next year. And what Jay and the team is showing you right here is every time we have to personally inspect each and every bar to make sure that there's no debris or any other impediment to the product line when they install it in the field.
Yep, we're checking braze faces, braze lines for porosity, so that quality is as high as it can be.
So these are a brazed coil. So in some cases we do continuous wound coils that aren't brazed together, but these all have a scarf joint on them, and not only do we form them, but we actually machine the scarf joint and we braze them together using resistance braze technology, and making sure that that braze face, actually all the brazes get UT inspected, don't they?
Yeah.
So we bring in a third-party inspector who does UT inspection on all the braze faces to ensure that the adhesion is perfect, and they're cleansing it, and they're also doing a last cosmetic inspection as well to make sure everything looks good. And that happens to 100% of the coils that we ship out of this facility is 100% inspection on 100% of the data points and 100% cosmetic across every surface and every coil we ship across the world.